Hello friends, it's Kiona Iba from Ragged Pages again. I'm here with a beautiful little packet of goodies I've put together. I've been sending these with every package that somebody purchases from the Centuries Past collection. So I just wanted to show you what you'll be getting along with your journal. So it's tied with this beautiful string. I've got brand new business cards, which is really exciting to me because it means I'm official, or I feel official. So pull this aside. You can use this in your journal to do tags or to tie things around, to add little charms, anything you'd like to do with that string. I've got a little washi sampler in each little packet. I've got, take this off, some book page envelopes, a top loading and a side loading, or just a normal envelope. A couple tags in here. There's a blue one and then double-sided paper. You could put some of this green string in there if you wanted. I've got a couple, or a few, just little journaling cards that you can stick into the tuck spots of your journal. And these little, paper clips are all beautiful colors. Like I've got pink, light gray. Let's see if you can see that. It's not showing up very well in this light here. And blue, maybe if I put it on a white background. Anyway, they're all pastels. That mint blue that's really trending right now is in there. Anyway, each little packet has a vintage card in it, and each one's a little different. So this one says Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy, and it's just a little card, and then a coffee dyed envelope that you can put into your journal as well. So all of these goodies will be included with your purchase, and it's just my way of saying thank you so much for buying from me, and I'm really excited for you to get to use these. And anyway, so I wanted to show you a little bit of the surprises coming. And I have been working on a new collection. It's called the Memory Lane Collection. And I have one journal to show you from the collection. There are 30 in the works, so there will be more coming. Anyway, so here's charms. It's got some signatures stitched in, faux leather, a closure here, 3 signatures. Anyway, so this is kind of the style that my next collection will be in, so keep your eyes open for that. It's coming soon. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Enjoy the sunshine. Spring is coming, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks, friends. Bye.